The Exynos 2400 processor powers the S24 and S24 Plus models, while Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 is significantly overclocked for the Galaxy. It is important to note that all three phones are running pre-release software, thus their results will most likely change from those of the consumer-ready versions. Still, we get a good look at the new Samsung chipset's capabilities and how it compares to Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Geekbench 6 CPU test shows that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 has a modest advantage in both single and multi-core ratings. The difference in single-core performance is minimal, while the multi-core result shows a tiny advantage for the Qualcomm processor. However, things changed in favor of the Exynos 2400 during the GPU test, when both the S24 and S24 Plus beat out the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 Equid S24 Ultra. The N22 tests demonstrate that the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 inside the S24 Ultra wins, although the difference between the two processors is still modest. The 3D Mark solar-based stress test, which includes ray tracing, results in a clear win for the Exynos-powered S24 and S24 Plus models. The Samsung-made chip performed marginally better in thermal management, and the S24 Ultra wins the Wildlife Extreme test event, though the Exynos devices ran the tests with greater stability, implying that the raw performance of the Exynos 2400 processor is within a 10% difference from the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 for Galaxy processor, which is Qualcomm's best right now. That shows how far Samsung has improved the design and performance of Exynos CPUs, with its flagship Exynos 2400 processor being almost as good as the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3. Obviously, it's important to note that all three phones are running pre-release software, but Exynos Samsung has done an excellent job for a still variation, which may encourage some Galaxy customers to choose a less expensive model like the vanilla S24. It definitely seemed lightning fast when I attempted rapid multitasking between many programs at once, and it can even handle ray tracing effects in compatible games. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So with that being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.